Good afternoon, everybody. People always ask me, why do you have so many bikes and what's the difference? Well, here's a good example of two of my bikes. This is the GT Grade 105. The GT Grade is what they call a gravel bike. Could be a camping bike, explorer bike, just a bike that can go off the beaten path and still ride comfortably. Right now, I have it set up kind of really road style because that's how I've been using it. So right now I'm using Continental Ultra Sport 700 by 28, which is a nice thick fat tire. In fact, today this was the bike I rode. It's using Shimano 105 compact gearing, so that's a 5034. It's got some sweet carbon 105 pedals you can't see in the shadow. Maybe you can see them better there. They're carbon pedals. Two Camelback water bottles. Like I told you, 105. Uses disc brakes. I believe they're 160 rotors. So you can see up front, it's got an out front Hero Session bracket using a cool Cat-Eye Mini with an out front bracket as well. I'm using a Ritchie Comp saddle, which I love Ritchie. Longer wheelbase and not a longer wheelbase. Yes, it is a longer wheelbase, but a shorter bottom bracket height. So it's a little lower to the ground and stretched out. So pretty comfortable bike. Now, a cross bike. A cross bike's a lot different. As you can see, my saddle position is a lot lower, and it's lower because the bottom bracket on this bike is a lot higher. Second, this bike uses Ultegra. This is the second from the top. Aluminum frame, compact frame. The gearing's totally different, 46-36. As you can see how it's spread out. I actually did a really cool gravel ride on it a couple days ago. There should be a video on it. Compact handlebars. The extra brake levers on the handlebars. That's in case the road gets so rough, you're just bouncing anywhere. It's easy to grip onto. Massive tires. Look at the tread on those things. 700 by 35 Ritchie Cross Max. I really like cantilever brakes. These brakes never fail me. They never rub. They're just great brakes. Again, another Cat-Eye Mini right on the top. Two Camelback water bottles, and the only reason I have them is because I did a long ride on it, and with the weather warming up, you need to keep hydrated. Selle Italia saddle on it, really comfortable saddle, nice short saddle, so I really like it. Not as long as my Ritchie saddle right here. So anyways, that's a bit of the differences on the two bikes. One is a gravel bike, the GT Grade, and the Fuj Cross, well, obviously it's a cross bike. Have questions, let me know.